to my channel, and welcome if you are new. As you can tell by today's title, today's video is a fall suit collaboration with my girl Sierra from Just Being Sierra here on YouTube. So yeah, if you're going to enjoy videos like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, turn on that notification bell, and let me know down in the comments that you are here and you are new, or if you are coming from Sierra's page, welcome. Hopefully that you will decide to join my channel today. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. Okay, y'all, so in today's collaboration video, I will be making my spin on beef vegetable soup. So the only difference is out of the ingredients, which is of course some VA vegetable juice, tomato paste, tomato sauce, your mixed vegetables. I got 2 bags here. And instead of ground beef, I will be using today is ground turkey. So yeah, this is the only thing that is different that I will be using today. But other than that, it's your simple vegetable beef soup or vegetable soup with ground beef, however you all call it. You know, we all call it different things here. But yeah. And also, I'm going to go ahead and make some cornbread to go with it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven on 350 to get that started for the cornbread. So while we're standing here, I'm going to sit this to the side and go ahead and mix up my cornbread and put it in the pan and get it ready for the oven. And then once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and start prepping the soup. So let me grab my pan. And I'm just going to use this square pie pan dish here. I normally use a round one, but I couldn't find it, so we're just going to go ahead with this one here today. And then also, let me get my Pam spray and milk and eggs. So, milk and 1 egg. And some vegetable oil. Let me get my measuring cup. If I can get it. Alright. So we got all the ingredients for the cornbread. Let me go ahead and spray my pan down. Right. And now I need a mixer. I'm just going to use this Tupperware here. Alright, so let's get the mixing. And this takes 2/3 cups of milk, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and 1 egg. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you like a since we got our cornbread in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove on, medium high heat, and get ready and start grounding our turkey. And also the seasons that I'm gonna use are some Lowry's, onion powder, black pepper, accents, garlic powder, and some adobe.
Trouble in your mind, baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be, I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Hey, yeah. I'm still missing you. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side,